Right here in my hot little hand is the 3 amp hour kit of Milwaukee's brand new red lithium USB Bluetooth headphones. Let's check them out. These headphones are targeted at tradespeople and tool users in a noisy environment who love their tunes or their podcasts, but still want to be able to hear people talking to them and be aware of what's happening around them. They're able to reduce the intensity of outside noise by up to 25 decibels when using the included foam tips, or up to 22 decibels when using the silicone tips. And because every ear is different, they've included a range of both silicone and foam ear tips so you can customize the headphones to your ears. They've also included 3 sizes of ear wings so you can customize it to the outside of your ear as well. And once you've set them up for your ear, they're really comfortable. They've got a nice slim design and profile as well, so they'll slide under headphones, no stress at all. They also don't interfere with any other sort of protective gear. Now, I've been daily driving these in my workshop here for a couple of months now, and I find they've got really good clarity. They've got really great runtime as well. The headphones themselves can run continuously in your ears for 10 hours straight. You can also pull up to 70 hours of runtime from that red lithium cell that's included in the case. You charge that cell with the included USB Type-C cable, and then you charge the headphones just by putting them in the case. And with the runtime capacity that that case holds, even if you use them all day, every day at work, you'll only need to plug them in once a week. Now, the earbuds have a traffic light system on them to let you know how charged they are. Green lights is when it's in the top 50% of charge. Once it gets below 50%, it goes yellow. Once it's down to just 5% of charge, it goes red. Each earbud's got one big button on it. You can use that while wearing gloves. The button on the earbud you wear in your left ear controls that pass-through feature, so you can hear either more or less of what's happening around you, much like noise cancelling. And that button on the right is for accepting or declining calls. You can also press it to pause your audio or double press it to skip through a track that somehow slipped into your playlist. Now, once you pair them with the Bluetooth in your phone, they connect almost instantly when you take them out of the case and start to stick them in your ears. And in fact, with the Bluetooth range, I took a call yesterday almost 15 meters from my phone at the other end of the building. At that range, there was no degradation in the audio, both in the call or listening to music. But for the phone calls I've made with these headphones as well, both the sent and the received audio were super clear. I like them. That's Milwaukee's new red lithium USB Bluetooth headphones. I'll be keeping these ones. If you want to get your own, go to sydneytools.com.au or go to your local Sydney Tools store today. If you've got any questions about the headphones, hit me up in that comment section down below. Until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.